Hey! What are we doing? You're already in trouble for pooping in the house. Now you're doing WWE wrestling in there with yourself? And you're talking back. Who are you telling? Who are you telling? You crazy. This isn't funny. This isn't funny, mister. You're being a bad boy. You're being a bad boy. Why are you a cute bad boy? You're in timeout. No smiling. No smiling. No smiling. No biting. No biting. No clawing. Nope. Nope. You're gonna stand there longer. You're gonna stand there longer. Hey! Nope. See, your tooth is stuck.
POV, you're my face. Dude, oh my goodness.
Be nice. Well, now you've done it. Now you've gone and done it. What's your deal? Why are you so loud? Who are you barking at? Are you depressed? Why do you love going under here? Show them how you lift weights. That's not lifting weights. That's not lifting weights. You're getting big. Yeah, you're getting big, boy. Excuse me. Excuse me, mister. Excuse me. Yes. Can I help you?
No!
But, excuse me. Just ignoring me. Hello? Finally, Mowgli, someone who wants to play with you. Yeah, wear him out for me, Titus. Wear him out. They're gonna be nap time.
Get that shit out of here.
Nobody.
No biting. What? What's your problem? You want to talk about it? You want to talk about it? Did I do something wrong? Did I do something wrong?
Hey, Birdie, what happened? Oh,
Yeah.
God.